Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete your Gmail account from your Android device, follow these step-by-step instructions to remove your Google account while keeping other device functions intact. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device by tapping the gear icon in your app drawer or notification panel. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Accounts or Users and Accounts to view all accounts linked to your device. Step 3. Tap on Google to view all Google accounts associated with your Android device. Step 4. Select the Gmail account you want to remove from the list of linked accounts. Step 5. Tap on Remove Account or Remove from this device to begin the deletion process. Step 6. Confirm your choice by tapping Remove Account again when prompted. Step 7. Enter your device, PIN, password or pattern, if required to authorize the account removal. Step 8. Note that removing the account from your device does not delete the Gmail account permanently. It only unlinks it from your Android device. To delete the account entirely, visit Google Account Settings online. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.